Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today in this home and living series, we're going to be reviewing this power tool that really cut out for the job. The BOSCH Professional Cordless Reciprocating Saw. So whether you are a pro trades person or DIY person, this compact yet powerful cordless reciprocating saw might just be your new best friend for your power sawing needs. So first, let's talk about the features. So this saw is part of BOSCH Professional line, which means it's built for durability and performance. And being cordless, it runs on a 12V battery. This is great because it's incredibly portable and you're not limited by cost. The saw is protected by the BOSCH Electronic Cell Protection (ECP). It protects the battery against overload, overheating, and deep discharge. One standout feature is its compact design. It's a small and lightweight tool, but don't underestimate it. It has excellent ergonomics with small grip circumference and it is lightweight, only 1.2 kg for maximum comfort. Now let's get to the fun part, the performance. So the BOSCH Cordless Reciprocating Saw delivers more than you expect from a 12V tool. It's got the power to tackle a wide range of tasks, whether you're cutting through wood, plastic, or even metal. It can cut through 65mm of wood and 50mm of metal profiles and metal pipes. The saw has a variable speed trigger, which means you can control the cutting speed depending on your needs. This is essential for precision work. I've used it for sawing wood. It's versatile and the cutting action is smooth. The anti-vibration technology really helps reduce hand and arm fatigue. So is this BOSCH Professional Cordless Reciprocating Saw, is it really worth the investment to add into your power tool collection? Absolutely. If you are a professional or serious DIY person, this compact cordless reciprocating saw is a game changer. It's versatile, powerful and well built. The brushless motor and lithium-ion battery means you'll be getting more work done on a single charge. While it's not the cheapest saw out there, but in this case you get what you pay for. If you're tired of dragging around cords or you need a reliable and portable reciprocating saw, I highly recommend giving the BOSCH saw a shot. Trust me, it's going to make your cutting task a whole lot easier. So thanks for watching, and if you want to get this BOSCH Professional Reciprocating Saw, I'll put the links in the description where you can get it on Amazon and Shopee. You can use my referral link where every successful sale or completed sale, I'll get a commission. And if you found this review helpful or have any questions, or if you have used this saw before, we'd like to hear your thoughts, so you can leave your comments below. And please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more content like this and on real estate, investing, finance and home care tips.